Today, I wanted to share with you a super easy technique for creating beautiful watercolor mugs. These mugs are completely one of a kind and could make the perfect gift. The best part about this project is that all of these supplies can be found at Dollar Tree. You need assorted colors of nail polish, clear mugs, water, paper towels, toothpicks, and a disposable bowl. Fill the bowl with warm water. Choose a combination of your first design. For each design, you need to move quickly because the nail polish starts to set on the surface of the water if you leave it too long. Slowly dip a section of the mug into the design. Hold the mug still in the water and do not move it around. After a few seconds, slowly remove the mug from the water. Be careful not to dip the rim of the mug into the polish. You also want to make sure that the polish does not get inside the mug. Place the mug upside down on a paper towel and let it dry for at least 30 minutes. Once the mug has dried completely, you will have a beautiful watercolor design. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.